a very happy and colorful Holi. May this Holi brings lots of happiness and joy in your life. So friends, today is Holi and I'm going to make this beautiful Dutch pour painting with very easy and simple techniques. And believe me, this painting is really very easy painting. Even a 10-year kid also can make this painting. So friends, please watch full video. I'm sure you will love it and enjoy it. And if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. So friends, once again wishing you all a very happy and colorful Holi. Happy Holi! First of all, we'll take the 7 beautiful rainbow colors, which are red, blue, yellow, orange, purple, green and pink. Now we'll mix 50% of acrylic color and 50% of pouring medium. After mixing the colors, we'll pour the all color in random order in a waveform like this. After pouring the colors, now we'll pour the medium between the color waves, just like this. Finally, we'll use the blower for mixing the colors or for the textures like this. It's looking so beautiful. All colors are looking very nice with each other. I'm so happy. It's looking really so beautiful. All colors are so bright. I'm so happy. It's really beautiful. Wow, superb. It's looking so beautiful and it's really so easy. Superb. So finally, our beautiful colorful Dutch pour painting is ready. I hope you like this painting and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Happy painting!